In today's world, technology is constantly evolving and new products are emerging. Yet, most people still listen to music using traditional headphones or earphones. We wanted to bring you a new way to listen to music with the most advanced technology. The next step of listening to music is now here. Introducing Zero Eye, a hat with built-in bone conduction technology that is wireless and hands-free. The battery, PCB, on-off switch, and LED light are located in the bill of the cap. Zero Eye uses bone conduction technology that sends vibrations into the skull and directly into your eardrums. The bone conducting speakers fit snugly, offering enhanced clarity of sound. Zero Eye uses Bluetooth technology that allows you to listen to music and answer phone calls, and it's all put together into the simplicity of a hat. It has a built-in microphone, so you can answer calls instantly without the need of an extra headset or earphones. Zero Eye brings you high-quality sound that is comparable to listening to music through stereo systems. With 4 bone conduction speakers compared to the usual 2 of our competitors, this allows you to listen to music more clearly. When using Zero Eye, you'll have free range to conveniently listen to the clear and crisp sound without blockage of your earphones. But at the same time, external noise is audible for safety reasons when you may be cycling or jogging outside. Zero Eye has a detachable magnetic connector that can be easily managed with one hand, and the connector protects your charging port from damage. With a built-in LED light, you will know when your Zero Eye is fully charged. What if your Zero Eye gets wet? Well, that's not a problem. The Zero Eye is covered in a waterproof oil coating that prevents damage from rain, sweat, or accidental spillage. Zero Eye can be easily worn anywhere at any time. The possibilities are endless. Zero Eye comes in 2 sleek designs, a snapback and a baseball cap, and comes in 3 different colors: black, white, and blue.
PureTrek is the world's first 2-in-1 trekking pole and water filtration system. PureTrek combines 2 must-have hiking products into one efficient package. We have completely redesigned what a trek pole can be. Over 50% of hikers do not hydrate properly while on the trail. This award-winning filtration system, used by the most successful outdoor companies, is proven to remove 99.99% of all waterborne bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics, giving you the ultimate peace of mind. PureTrek makes other cumbersome and complicated filtration systems obsolete by not only being much faster, but much greener as well. It allows you to carry less weight and spend less time setting up, so you can spend more time fully enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Hi, I'm Kyle Stringham, the creator of PureTrek. I've lived in Utah at the base of the Wasatch Mountain Range for most of my life, and I've always loved being in the great outdoors. But for years, I've struggled with one simple setback to my outdoor recreation: water filtration. Standard pump filters are a hassle. They are complicated and tiring to use, often requiring lengthy setup times and uncomfortable positions. It was when I became a father that I knew that I needed to find a better solution. With 2 active kids, carrying enough water for everyone is exhausting. And listening to lukewarm water slosh around in your backpack, only to have it run out the first drink break, is no fun for anyone. It finally took a 21-mile hike with a bunch of Boy Scouts for a solution to present itself. As I knelt by a small stream with a bundle of trekking poles under one arm, the pieces of intricate water pumps in the other, it hit me. A trekking pole with a built-in water filter. It just made sense to combine these 2 must-have tools into one durable, easy-to-use solution that would give reliable results for years to come. And I haven't looked back ever since. We spent the last 2 years developing this product with multiple patents and prototypes to ensure that our product will stand up to the test of regular outdoor use. The pole itself is built with the finest materials, utilizing carbon fiber for absolute lightweight dependability. To use PureTrek, simply place the carbide tip into the water source. With a flick of your thumb, open the silicone lid and attach the drinking tube. Insert into a water bottle or drink directly from it. Cold, refreshing, purified water is only a few pumps away. We have brought together a world-class manufacturing team to make sure that you get your PureTrek on time and in the highest quality possible. We simply need your support to move on to production. So please, back us today and get back to what matters most, the beauty of the outdoors.